Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing accounts and your device. Create a dedicated Japan Google account and sign it into your phone. This makes region-only apps visible. Once done, add a JP payment method or keep it empty if you'll use free downloads. Make sure to install a trusted VPN and connect to a Japan endpoint before opening the Play Store, because the store filters by IP and account region. This first set of actions unlocks access without wasting time on peripheral setup. Now you obtain and install the Pjsk Jp app. With your VPN active and the Japan account selected in Play Store, search and install, the store should permit the download. If the Play Store still blocks you, download the publisher's official APK as a fallback and sideload only from that verified source. After installation, launch the game and grant requested permissions so it can update assets. Make sure to keep the VPN connected for initial content downloads, which often require a JP IP. Finish setup by launching the game with your VPN still active so content and server checks complete smoothly. Once loaded, link the game to the publisher's account or cloud save to preserve progress. This prevents data loss if you switch devices. If you encounter errors, first reconnect the VPN to a Japan server, confirm the JP Google account is selected, and clear Play Store cache or reinstall the app. If content stalls, retry with a different reputable VPN endpoint. One change often resolves region verification hiccups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.